Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a knife from the Chinese manufacturer Yon Xanadu. So this is a really nice design. The company is making really good, decent quality knives for the past few years. And this is the model number YX-751. So there is also a variant which is the YX-750, which is a full titanium scales knife. So this is a liner lock with a Micarta scale. So when I saw the Micarta scale variant, I really wanted to order one and experience it, share with you, of course, because for a lot of years Micarta was considered as a much premium material than even than carbon fiber. I don't know why, because it is probably cheaper, but nowadays lots of companies are jumping on a bandwagon and releasing lots of Micarta scaled knives. So we have a renaissance of Micarta scale knives, which is good to see, because it is a really good material. In my opinion, much better than G10. Okay, so the Yon Xanadu is a really large knife, if I can say so. We have an overall length of 22.3 centimeters or 8.8 inches. The handle is 12.5 centimeters or 5 inches. The blade is 9.8 or 9.5, depending where you're measuring it. So this translates to 3.7 inch. And we have a blade thickness of 3.9, so almost 4 millimeters, which is 0.1.5 inches. The blade width is 3.1 centimeters or 1.22 inches. The handle thickness is 1.5 centimeters or 0.6 inch, and the handle width is 3 centimeters or 1.18 inches on here. The blade steel they are using is also not slouch, so it is a Sandvik made 14C28N, which is should be somewhere here, yeah. And you can buy the Micarta or G10 variant with the 751 model variant. Like I mentioned, it is a stainless steel liner lock construction, and the weight comes in at 139.4 grams or 4.9 ounces. So the pivot is on ball bearings, really nice and good oiled up ball bearings. So this is like I usually want to present the knife right out of the box. I have not made any changes to it, so really this is how a really nice flipper should be designed. So shuts down on itself without any problems, opens perfectly. Probably only downside, if I can call it a downside, is the pocket clip. We are looking at a standard banded, polished up. Good to see that has a 2 screw variant. I will tell you about also why. But let's face it, I would love to see a fold over, maybe wire clip like Spyderco is using. This is also a aesthetically much more pleasing execution, and also functions wise maybe. But let's see the functioning of the pocket clip. Let me bring out the jean pocket. So as you can see, you have to push a little bit more because the tension is on the stiffer side. And also this is a polished and blasted, so I should say blasted Micarta scale, so not polished. So yeah, you have, maybe you could bend it a little bit out. And okay, so Let's talk about the pocket clip. I have here also the MX-8, which is also a Chinese-made knife, with using a probably not heat-treated steel banded pocket clip or aluminum, maybe titanium, who knows. But as you can see, the bend is much more abrupt and also has only one position, which makes it travel around. So they negated the traveling around completely with the two screw design. Is also so milled in, and also because that is probably heat treated steel, is really hard to bend, not like the, so therefore these will have a little bit a minus with your EDC application, because put it into your pocket few dozens of times a day will be probably a chore, and you will not like it that much. Just my opinion. I love to be honest, so that you can see if this knife is right for you or not. Regardless this issue, probably there are aftermarket clips out there which can be applied also to this variant, and if not, you can probably do something yourself, given this is a fairly large area. You can probably build in your own pocket clip if you have the tools for it, of course. So like I mentioned, this is a only one liner there, so that makes also the knife really light. It is not skeletonized. And the sun is going down, so let me just quickly show you some size comparison and bring to close the video. So here is the MX-8 Samurai MSM07. Here is the Buck Sprint Pro. Strider SNG. A Spyderco Endura. A large Cryptilian. The Tucson 111. And also Kershaw Skyline. Okay, lastly, let me talk about the pricing. So maybe because this is not a so well-known company, the pricing is around $35 US, so which is extremely nice price. I must strongly emphasize this for a good blade with a good corrosion resistance and with the micarta scales. Just for comparison, the MX-8 is around 85, 88, and the Buck Sprint Pro is around 100, 110. So there are your comparisons. If you like to have something a little bit more fancy with the same design features, then you can also search for the YX-750, which I mentioned is a titanium variant, and that will cost you under $80. Usually they go around 77 to 71, depends on sale and the reseller you are buying from. So I would like to thank you very much for watching. If you are a subscriber, then thumbs up. Thank you for your support. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, bring you the most important aspects of a product that I purchased lately and want to share with you my experience, and if it is good for you or not, you can make your own conclusion. And I wish you a wonderful day and see you soon on the next video. Bye.